The TVS King LS Plus, air-circulated, BS4, LPG three-wheeler is a great product from the TVS. It is also available in petrol and CNG options. The TVS King Autorickshaw ensures great power, style, comfort and also offers you good mileage on road from the efficient engine. Higher warranty and lower maintenance costs make the TVS King a best quality product. The three-wheeler ensures superpower, style and comfort. The vehicle offers you good mileage on road from the efficient engine. Higher warranty and lower maintenance cost makes the TVS King a quality product. TVS King LPG Autorickshaw powered by BS4 LPG engine with 200cc engine displacement. The engine is powerful and can deliver 8 bhp at 5,000 revolutions per minute power output and 13 Nm at 3,250 revolutions per minute torque production on ride. The TVS King features electric and hand start options. The ignition used is high-energy inductive ignition. The TVS King gives 7 degrees gradeability. Engine paired with 4 forward and 1 reverse speed constant mesh gear speed transmission. The dimensions are 165 mm ground clearance and 1985 mm wheelbase. For safety and stability on road it is equipped with trailing arm type, constant rate coil spring suspension, front and rear, and drum, hydraulic brakes, front and rear. It is available in green and yellow color. Fuel tank capacity is 20.6 liters. Ground clearance of the vehicle is 165 mm. Curb weight of the vehicle is 385 kilograms. Wheelbase of the vehicle is 1985 mm. Overall length of the vehicle is 2,645 mm. Overall width of the vehicle is 1,330 mm and overall height of the vehicle is 1,740 mm. Mileage of TVS King LPG is 30 km per liter. The standard accessories of TVS King are water bottle holder, magazine holder and attractive LPG and CNG gas kit covers etc. The optional accessories include stylish wheel cover, floor mats, rear bumper, digital clock, idle stand and FM radio. It is available in 3 colors such as black, green, and yellow. TVS King's ex-showroom price is 1,68,000 Indian rupee.